How about it, folks? Mr. Just Right One is Dan Shear checking back in with you guys today. Wismec ECC 2019. John, the man behind the scene at Wismec, got two wonderful devices to take a look at with you guys today. The Tinker2, the follow-up to the Tinker 1, triple 18650, the dual 18650, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and hell, just aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It doesn't get any better than that right there, folks. I love this little device. I've spent a little bit of time with it, got to get to know the ins and outs of it a little well. With a lot of the trends that we see in the industry, you know, triple batteries were a really big thing, then dual batteries are coming back really, really strong, especially with the dustproof, shockproof, waterproof platform. That's like a key selling point right now. Yeah. Aesthetically, very, very appealing. I love the little gator skin look, the homage to the Jordan shoe design with the fingerprint, thumbprint, fire button. Really quick response time.
Yeah.
Like, what made y'all go with a super quick response time? Like, it's just, you hit the button and it's firing.
It is a combination of mechanics, of actually internal mechanical engineering, because of the layering of all the the plastics inside. You have the button, the contact to the button is immediate. There's no space in between the exterior fire button and the internal switch. And there's the software that they upgraded. It's got a time set at 0.0001. I don't even know how to explain that in real life.
It's unmeasurable.
It's quicker than a blink.
Yeah.
I mean, it's quick.
So, very, very important to understand that this industry is a community-driven industry. We as designers, as influencers, we have our preferences of what we like, but ultimately what you spend your money on is what you're going to get, you know. And when you step out and you purchase yourself a Tinker2 with the Trough, I always get that one screwed up.
The Trough, the
sub-ohm tank. Very, very nice performance. There's strong flavor out of it. You know, sub-ohm tanks have always had that little hindrance of a lot of vapor production, but not so much flavor. I really feel you nailed the combination of both of these and the power watt rating of 30 to 50 watts on it. That means you're going to have extended battery life as well. So definitely want to keep your eye on the Tinker2 from Wismec. Definitely a solid lineup. Aesthetically appealing. What colors it comes in? Green, red, blue, black, something like that?
Exactly right.
Very aesthetically pleasing. You know, something that always appeals to me is aesthetics.
Yeah.
I hate to have a mod that performs good but doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Or a mod that looks really good but doesn't perform well.
Right? Yeah.
So having the best of both worlds there, I think you did it very well with this.
Nice.
Small, compact platform, dustproof, shockproof, waterproof. Man, it's made for the everyday carry right there for sure.
Yeah.
Next brings up this one, the Preva DNA. Very, very well, nice developed device. The DNA chip, it means it has the eScribe capabilities. You can log onto your computer. You can customize it to your preference, what you like. You know, and if it's not what you like out of the box, it means you can go in there, fine tune it. And I actually got on last night and looked at it. You can actually change the LED displays, the range of the LED color that's in there. That's very, very unique because what I think blue should be or green should be, you may think it's too high or should be more adjusted on the lower end, should be yellow or so forth. I like that a lot. And you got a pod system in here.
Yeah.
You didn't go with like a mesh that everybody else is going with.
Kanthal.
You went with Kanthal.
Yeah.
And that has to be commended right there because everybody's playing follow the leader.
Yeah.
You know, and everybody's going on these pod devices in a mesh platform, mesh platform, mesh platform. I'm a huge fan of mesh, but mesh doesn't apply in every application as well. To go back with old Kanthal on this, should keep the price down. I love the magnetic base on the bottom here that sinks in the bottom. This gives you a real solid feel of being in your device. The fill port. Genius fill port right there.
I love the fill port.
Everybody threw a fit over top fill. There's your top fill for you right there. Doesn't get any simpler than that. And you can cover it back up to prevent it from leaking. Adjustable airflow, and it comes with two different pod systems. You come with a 0.25 and a 0.5. So again, it's adaptable to what you like. And that you notice here a common trend, what you like. Remember, if you don't like it, you don't have to have it. Wismec is catering to you guys, the consumer, the end consumer, and that's important. I love to see the about face that Wismec has taken over, say, the last year or so. You know, like instead of what Wismec wants, what Wismec makes. No, Wismec has gone back to the drawing board and say, what does a consumer like? What does the consumer want? and let's address that, and let's get products developed for the end consumer. That's very important for the growth of Wismec and the growth of this industry, to keep that mindset. So I salute and commend that mindset a lot. Guys, I've known John for a little bit. He's a very good friend of mine, a personal friend I consider.
Yeah.
If you're looking for either thing, if you want something, a dual 18650, or if you're looking for your everyday pod AIO type system, the Preva or the Tinker2, both from Wismec lineup, both solid devices. I don't think you're going to go wrong with either one. Do like me, pick up both and pick up 2 of both. Do yourself a favor. Guys, I'm going to do what I always do, and that is going to be sign out right now. And I also will remind everybody out there, if at any given point in time you have ever felt like you were not a somebody, I want you to know that you are a somebody in somebody's eyes, and that somebody is me. I absolutely love each and every one of you. Stay focused, stay blessed. Mr. Just Right One is damn sure checking in and checking back out with you guys. Wismec ECC 2019 should have been here.